Good evening there, everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. So today what I have here are two Chaos Theories. This is the one with the Darius Stygimoloch and the Dimorphodon. This is the small Carnotaurus, the juvenile one. There's a DNA scan. Okay guys. So it doesn't have any features, but it only has a up and down, left and right movement of the broken horn. And another Chaos Theory, my custom paint Kryptops. It still works. There you go. See? So this is my custom paint Kryptops. That color is inspired from the 93 classic Carnotaurus that I said I wasn't gonna purchase, which I'm keeping my promise not to get that because it's horrible. So I just copied the paint job. So here it is now. I have two Kryptops now, the original and this one, this custom paint. Okay guys, so I think I got it. I nailed the color. Looks exactly like the Carnotaurus from 93 Classic Legacy Collection, or the Reimagined, exactly. I also colored its dew claw. Look at that. I painted it exactly like that. Alright, so we have this because of the another Chaos Theory GUEMESIA. We're gonna unbox it. Okay guys, it's a danger pack. That means it has no sound or any features. No strike attack, nothing like that. It has the Giganosaurus symbol. Okay, so we already reviewed all of these. This is today. Okay guys, I'm still gonna probably get 2 of these each. And maybe also GUEMESIA 2 more. I want 3 of these. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it. Check it out. Easy, easy. There you go. Oh, there's one more on its leg. So, guess what? Chaos Theory Season 3 is coming soon, next month. April 3rd, I believe. I'm excited. I already finished the whole shows. Alright, so here we are. Tiny arms, like the Carnotaurus. It has a feathery face, or is that scales, whatever? Are those scales? It has feather on its neck, on its upper back. Nothing here. Let's check the DNA scan. There you go for you guys. It also has scars right there. Nice. Made in Vietnam, it says. So it is made, okay, there you go. Made in 2024, but it was released this year. Okay, so it has, has feature up and down. So, like, it's pretty tiny, like a Carnotaurus or an Echoresinitosaurus. I didn't grab it, didn't have the chance. The Kryptops has bigger arms. So, okay, so yeah. There you have it for today. You can't really open the mouth all the way. That's pretty much it. I tried. Yeah, that's it. It's good. No, I can't. It won't. Might break it. So it has a small snout. If you look closely, it looks like a serpent head, like a snake already. Nice painting in the eye. Very nice. So yeah, I think I want 2 more of these because he doesn't have a variant yet. So I'll get 2 more. Look how tiny the arms are. So tiny. Like a Scorpiovinator. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today. You guys have a good weekend now. It is Friday evening here. Okay guys, we'll see you Monday or Tuesday. Okay guys, you guys have a good weekend now. Take good care and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Very well.